So one of the easiest ways to update a retro Valance, which is really ugly in an RV or travel trailer, is to take the Valance off. They're very easy to pop off. You can take driver. They're normally attached up here with some kind of screws. And then once you take it off, you're going to take whatever fabric of your choice and just take and wrap it over the top of it. And then you're going to need a heavy staple gun, and you're just going to go along the seam and you're going to staple it. And this is what it looks like. And then of course you're going to do the other side. And then to put it back up where it came from, you can attach it with little small tack nails. And I've already done this one. Once it's completed. Not 100% like buying a brand new, but at the same time it saves money.